Welcome to Delph Stack. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to record your screen in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS Linux. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, this guide will equip you with the tool and knowledge to capture your screen for play. We will cover three popular methods using the Kazam, a simple screen recorder, and Blue recorder. Let's dive in. First, we will try Kazam for screen recording. Let's install it. Now that we have successfully installed Kazam, let's use it. So our second tool for screen recording is a simple screen recorder. To install it, run the following command. Simple screen recorder has been installed successfully. Let's use it. Set your preferred configuration and start recording. Finally, we will record the screen using the Blue recorder. Let's install it. Installation complete. Let's try it out. Set your configuration from here. We have explored three effective methods to record your screen in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Choose the one that fits for your needs for more tutorials like this. Check out our other related videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful contents. Happy recording!